perfectly medium rare.
Lies the truth about us. This time will tell. We might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins.
Samahan niyo kaming mag-camping sa River Ranch, Tanay, Rizal.
Send me your songs of tomorrow. Dying to know it all.
Egg sandwich for breakfast.
I'm dying to know it all. To know it all.
Dito na kami sa River Ranch. So ito yung gate papasok dun sa campsite. Dahil walang tao sa gate, nagtanong kami sa katabing tindahan.
Tao po.
Nakapasok na kami sa gate pero may mga 100 meters pa kaming dadaanan papunta sa mismong campsite. Ang lawak ng campsite nila pero dito yung napili naming spot at nasa tapat kami ng river. Pangalawa pa lang kaming bisita dito sa campsite kaya parang solo namin. Tignan niyo yung ulap po, ang kulimlim, kaya magsiset up na rin kami dyan, uunahan na namin bago pa bumagsak yung ulan.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling.
Sa wakas, natapos na kami mag-set up. Mukha lang mabilis pero ang tagal namin sinet up yan. Dahil gutom na kami, kailangan na namin magluto ng aming lunch. Plan nyo kung anong lulutuin namin ha. Sayang muna tayo ng 6 na dakot ng bigas bago natin simulan tong cooking show na to.
Sige pa.
Salang na natin to. Kaya pasok, panlasang Pinoy.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Luto na ulam namin. Sakto yung mainit na sabaw sa malamig na panahon dito. Dahil mahilig kami sa maanghang, sili pa more. Let's eat!
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. 'Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, nagpahinga lang kami saglit. Tapos, maliligo na rin kami sa ilog.
You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you.
Pagkatapos naming maligo sa ilog, nanood kami ng movie na dinownload namin sa Netflix. Kasi alam naming walang signal dito. Merong free one bundle of mga wood
for bonfire. Binigay nila for free. Oopsie. Lumipad. Mahangin dito. Hangin kasi dito eh. Kanina pa namin problema ang hangin. Lagyan mo ng tumbler ko. Eh di yung isang tumbler ko mo. Yan.
Magluluto na kami ng dinner namin dito sa Ihawan.
Kahit ang gilas ka. Kita mo kung sino ka. Kahit maliliit na yan. Yung. Mabilis yan aapoy. Sa ilalim kaya. Yan. Okay na yan?
Ready na ang ating lutuan. Kaya balik na tayo sa ating cooking serye. Welcome back, Panglasang Pinoy!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Luto na ang dinner namin na steak at bulldog noodles. Pero linisin muna namin yung mga kalat. Tapos, kainan na!
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Good morning! Kakagising lang namin. Labas na tayo. Nagpalit pala kami ng mas maliit na tarp kahapon kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Tinatangay yung malaki naming tarp. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Pag gigising ako, makita ko ang sunrise at ma-feel ko yung natural freshness ng hangin. At hindi pa masyadong mainit yung sikat ng araw. Sarap sa feeling. Mag-iinit na kami ng tubig para makapag-breakfast na.
May kutsara sa akin.
Saing na ulit para makapagluto na kami ng lunch. Maya-maya kasi aalis na rin kami. Malapit na maluto yung kanin. Kaya hihimayin ko na rin yung chicken na inihaw namin kagabi para gawing sisig. Maghihiwa na rin si Charles ng sibuyas, bawang, siling green, siling red, at kalamansi para sa sisig. At para naman sa sauce, pinaghalong Japanese mayo, light soy sauce, liquid seasoning, pinigang kalamansi at paminta. Hinalo lang namin at sinama na namin sa sisig. Minekos-mekos lang tapos nalagyan na rin namin ng egg. Masarap din to kung merong liver spread. Pero dahil wala kaming dala, goods na to. Kain na kami.
Stop for a minute. Stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head. Try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute. Who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head. You're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, nag-pack up na rin kami dahil marami na rin dumating ng mga ibang campers. Buti na sulit namin ang isang araw na halos solo namin yung campsite. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami mag-asawa sa mini adventure na ito. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood. Kita-kits sa next adventure!
Just